Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Have you ever thought that I want to be rich because I don't ever want to see the people I love to be stuck due to a lack of money? Or want to attend your family member's college graduation but you can't afford the flight fare? Or you want to quit your day job but you don't have enough money and feel struggling? Or you may think about why I don't have $1 million or hit the jackpot now. Then I can buy a house and rent it out so that I have rental income instead of living paycheck to paycheck. If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place. We are all striving for financial freedom and a better way of life and how to become rich. Keep watching this video until the end because today in this video you are expected to know 3 things. The first one, what does it mean to be rich? The second one, why become rich and how you can benefit from financial freedom. And number 3, how you can become rich. Before kicking off, if you believe that you can become rich someday, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. First, let's start with what does it mean to be rich? This is a question that can have different answers for different people. Some may define being wealthy as having a certain amount of money in the bank, while others may see it as being able to afford the things they want and live the lifestyle they desire. Regardless of how you define it, becoming rich requires hard work and intelligent decision making. It's a challenging journey, but it is possible with the right mindset and strategies. Now, let's talk about why becoming rich and how you can benefit from financial freedom. Let's imagine, is it to offer your family a better life? Or is it to travel the world and experience new cultures? According to the CNBC, 50% of workers are at level 2 of financial freedom. You may ask, what does it mean? It means 50% of workers are relying on paycheck to paycheck and can't achieve the ultimate level of financial freedom. Financial freedom is a significant motivator for people who want to become rich. It allows you to do the things you want without worrying about how to pay for them. Also, it allows you to travel the world, pursue your passions, and live comfortably without worrying about bills and debts. Another reason people want to become rich is to have the freedom to pursue their dreams and goals. Financial security makes it easier to follow the life you've always dreamed of, whether starting a business, buying a home, or helping others in need. Moreover, having wealth can give you peace of mind and has a sense of security. You don't have to worry about day-to-day finances, and you can focus on the things that truly matter. You can provide for your family, live on your terms, and pursue your biggest goals with wealth. Ultimately, there are many reasons why people want to become rich. From the security that comes with wealth to the ability to pursue your dreams, becoming rich can give you the freedom to enjoy life on your terms. We're going to the third part of how you can become rich. If you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the subscribe button and the like button. Now, let's dive into how you can become rich. Becoming wealthy requires a combination of discipline, hard work, and intelligent decision making. It is possible to become wealthy if you follow some basic principles. You can use many different strategies like finding the best ones is essential. Here are 5 strategies that can help you on your journey to financial success. The first one, investing in a side hustle that generates additional income. Investing in a side hustle that creates additional money is one of the finest ways to become wealthy. Researching and understanding the market before investing in a side hustle is essential. You must have a plan and be prepared to devote the time and effort necessary to execute it. If you're willing to devote the time and efforts to execute it, then you can choose to start a profitable side hustle that can make you 10 grand per month, including email copywriting. You can earn $2,000 per email. If you're willing to devote your time more and write 5 emails, then you can earn $10,000 within a month. Or start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can also be a profitable side hustle. If you're willing to devote a period, then you can also earn 10 grand per month, or even more. Right now, if you want to know more details related to starting a YouTube channel or how to make money online, then feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Second one, investing in stocks and real estate that has the potential to appreciate over time. Investing in stocks and real estate is an effective way to become rich. When done right, investing can lead to wealth creation that could take you and your family to financial freedom. Investing in stocks is a popular way to gain financial security. When you purchase stocks, you own a share of the company. When it does well, so do you. Investing in stocks allows you to benefit from the growth of a company and the potential for dividend payouts. If you have a diversified portfolio, stock investments can help you spread your risk. Real estate is another great way to build wealth. When you invest in real estate, you own tangible property which can be rented out for cash flow or sold for a profit. Real estate investment also offers tax advantages like depreciation and deductions. Plus, real estate has been proven to be one of the most profitable long-term investments. No matter what type of assets you choose, it's essential to understand how they work and the risks associated with them. Also, it's essential to diversify your investments and put only some of your eggs in one basket. This means investing in different types of assets and spreading your risk across different sectors and countries. With patience and discipline, investing in stocks and real estate that has the potential to appreciate over time can be a great way to become rich. Number 3, being smart with your money and living below your means. Living below your means also helps when it comes to getting rich. Take the time to look at what items or services you can do without. Consider reducing luxury goods or services from your budget to free up additional funds for investing. It's important to remember that being wealthy doesn't mean having fancy things. It means having enough money to cover all of your necessary expenses and still being able to save and invest for the future. This can help you build a solid financial foundation and set you up for success in the long term. Number 4, continuously learning and improving your skills and knowledge. To become rich, you must make it a point to continuously learn and develop your skills and knowledge. A well-rounded understanding of different business areas, from accounting to public relations, can help you make decisions that can lead to success and wealth. You would have if you were actively reading books and listening to coaches or professionals who can provide valuable insight. Number 5, surround yourself with successful and motivated people who can provide guidance and support. One of the best things you can do to get wealthy is to surround yourself with successful, determined folks who can provide guidance and support because you are who you hang out with. When successful people surround you, they might educate you on how to think in a way that leads to the acquisition of money. Not only does it benefit you to be around successful people, that it also makes a difference to ask them for advice and listen to their tips. If you don't have any successful people in your immediate social circle, watch the YouTube videos who have already achieved financial success. Take the time to find successful and motivated individuals willing to help you on your path towards becoming rich. Knowledge, experience, and motivation they can provide will be invaluable assets as you strive to reach your financial goals. Of course, these are just a few strategies you can use to become rich. It's essential to find the ones that work best for you and to stay committed to your goals. In short, becoming wealthy takes a lot of work. It requires dedication, discipline, and persistence. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals and live your desired life. If you want to discover how to make money online to earn more income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about the bridge, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.